Does Elon Musk secretly hold XRP? It's a question that sparked endless speculation, and today we're diving deep to uncover the truth. The connections run deeper than you think, and I'll break it all down for you. Plus, I'll reveal a potential wallet that just might belong to Musk himself. Stick around. This one's gonna get interesting. Let me share something quick that often gets overlooked but is a huge advantage of the XRP ledger, its native feature set. While the IRS debates whether DeFi platforms like Uniswap running on Ethereum via smart contracts should register as brokers, the XRP ledger stands out by design. It doesn't rely on complex smart contracts to power decentralized exchanges. It's built right into the network, simple, efficient, and ahead of the curve. Here's where it gets fascinating. The IRS is essentially treating Uniswap like a broker because it manages a smart contract that acts as one. By that logic, Uniswap could face a flood of IRS and possibly even SEC regulations for simply operating its platform. But here's the twist. The XRP ledger doesn't use smart contracts. For years, this was seen as a limitation, but it's actually led to a unique ecosystem where features are built directly into the ledger itself. What seemed like a drawback might just be a hidden strength. The XRP ledger stands out with its built-in DEX. No need for external companies to build on top of it. The decentralized exchange is seamlessly integrated into the technology itself, making it a core feature of the XRP ledger. It comes with a native AMM and no reliance on external companies or tokens building second-layer products through smart contracts. While this was once viewed as a limitation, it's proving to be a strength. By keeping everything native, the features are far more decentralized. Exactly what the space needs. Unlike Ethereum, where smart contracts like those on Uniswap can expose vulnerabilities, the XRP ledger's native DEX operates with the same level of decentralization as the ledger itself. This creates a single, unified source of liquidity on the XRP ledger, instead of scattering it across multiple DEX with fragmented profiles like on Ethereum. What's more, no one controls the XRP ledger DEX. It's fully decentralized. This not only strengthens security, but also makes it incredibly difficult for regulators to point fingers, as there's no central authority to target. It's decentralization done right. XRP's decentralization is as solid as its ledger. It's a game changer many don't fully grasp. Here's the thing, XRP's native features make it one of the most decentralized blockchains out there. While some criticize the lack of smart contracts early on, this turned out to be a massive advantage. Instead, the XRP ledger focused on building powerful native features that are more decentralized, robust, and masterfully designed to aggregate liquidity to a single point better than almost any blockchain. That's not just innovative, it's downright bullish. Let's dive into the real topic of this video. Does Elon Musk own XRP? Let's break it down logically. Now, we all know there's no record of Musk outright saying, "Hey, I own XRP." And let's be real, he's not going to. But there are a few intriguing clues worth exploring. So let's unpack the details and see what you think. Where do you stand on this? Let's find out. Elon Musk and Peter Thiel played a pivotal role in shaping PayPal, though many don't realize just how foundational they were. Back when they built it, their vision was bold: to create internet money, a seamless way to exchange value online. Sound familiar? It's reminiscent of what Ripple aims to achieve with XRP, an internet of value driven by a neutral, interoperable bridge currency. Musk and Thiel's PayPal dream wasn't just ahead of its time, it laid the groundwork for how we think about digital finance today. PayPal set out to change the game, but it hit a major roadblock. It couldn't create a truly decentralized source of value. Why? It was ahead of its time, built in a world before cryptocurrencies revolutionized the way we think about money. That reliance on a centralized operator, it held everything back. It meant the true vision of cryptocurrency, a decentralized future, was out of reach. Peter Thiel and Elon Musk saw the writing on the wall. By the time cryptocurrencies started gaining traction, PayPal was already too entangled in the traditional financial system to become what they had originally dreamed. So they walked away, seeking bigger, bolder horizons. PayPal had already gone too far down the path of centralization to pivot toward a truly decentralized cryptocurrency. Realizing this, they understood PayPal wouldn't be the vehicle to fulfill that vision. It was a great platform, but not built for that mission. PayPal achieved plenty of big wins, but let's face it, it was never going to revolutionize the financial system. It was too centralized, and a corporate-heavy board had already taken the reins. So what did the PayPal Mafia, the crew behind PayPal, do next? Surprisingly, they backed OpenCoin, a little project that would eventually evolve into Ripple. Peter Thiel, a PayPal co-founder and close ally of Elon Musk, made waves when his venture fund invested in OpenCoin, what we now know as Ripple. But here's where things get intriguing. The very same year that Thiel's fund backed OpenCoin, a mysterious wallet appeared on the blockchain with the name Elon Musk. Coincidence or something more? The connections between these tech giants and the crypto world just keep getting more fascinating. Elon Musk's crypto wallet reportedly holds a whopping 16.7 million XRP. Flashback to 2013, Musk and Peter Thiel weren't the household names they are today. They were still hustling, building their empires. Sure, people knew about them, but the idea of impersonating them on the XRP ledger, that wasn't really a thing back then. How times have changed. Back in 2013, hardly anyone knew about the XRP ledger, so the idea of someone hoarding massive amounts of XRP back then, especially while copying big names for attention, just doesn't add up to me. Here's a more intriguing theory. What if Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, Andreessen Horowitz, and someone mysteriously named Asimov created these wallets themselves? Maybe they use their own names simply to keep track of who owned what. It makes sense, right? No one was paying attention to XRP back then. They held a large stash, and labeling the wallets with their names was an easy way to stay organized. Doesn't it seem far more likely that this wasn't some elaborate, costly prank no one would ever discover? It just doesn't add up. While there's no concrete proof either way, logic points to this being the real deal. The transaction history makes things even more intriguing, especially since Peter Thiel, through his venture fund, had already invested in Ripple, the company. Coincidence? Maybe, but it's a fascinating connection. In the same year, a wallet intriguingly named Elon Musk received 16.7 million XRP. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This XRP didn't just sit idle, it was distributed to an account linked to none other than Peter Thiel, Andreessen, and someone mysteriously named Asimov. Who is Asimov, and what's the deal with XRP? If XRP is so valuable and Elon Musk was involved, why would he distribute all of it? The answers aren't clear. Maybe Musk has another wallet under a different name. It's also possible he holds options on XRP escrow, much like others do. For instance, Greg Kidd has an options contract for 1% of the total XRP supply, safely tucked away in escrow. The mysteries of XRP deepen. Let's dive into something intriguing. Peter Thiel, part of the legendary PayPal Mafia, is known for his sharp investments, one of which was in OpenCoin. Safe to say, it's likely he holds XRP. Then there's Andreessen, a close ally of Elon Musk, constantly in his orbit. He's a major investor in Ripple and the XRP ecosystem too. And what about Asimov? Funny enough, it's not a person, but Isaac Asimov, the sci-fi author whose work Elon Musk often recommends. Asimov's ideas have shaped Musk's vision and, in a way, the person he is today. Could Elon Musk have been shifting assets from the so-called Musk wallet to the mysterious Asimov wallet? A wallet that perhaps nods to the legendary sci-fi author Musk admired growing up. An alias to quietly stash some XRP, or simply a move to avoid yet another wallet under the Musk name? Either way, it's intriguing. And let's not forget, the PayPal Mafia parted ways with PayPal because it couldn't fulfill their grand vision. Coincidence? Or just another chapter in Musk's ever-enigmatic playbook? Fascinating. Not long after they backed OpenCoin, familiar faces from the PayPal Mafia started popping up with XRP wallets. But here's where it gets even stranger. Check this out. This tweet from 2020 reveals something curious. Elon Musk stirred the pot on X again, jokingly engaging with followers about memes. Someone asked, "Where are the memes? Send in the memes." Another chimed in, "Elon, what's the best meme in your gallery?" His cryptic response, "Can't say, but it involves a bear." Cue the collective head scratch from some, but the XRP community? They were quick to connect the dots. Could he be hinting at Bearable Guy, the mysterious figure behind XRP riddles predicting XRP's rise as a top asset? The speculation is wild, but one thing's clear: Musk never misses a chance to keep us guessing. It's fascinating when you connect the dots. While there's no concrete proof, the history makes it intriguing. The highlight, Elon Musk himself has engaged with Brad Garlinghouse and even responded to me about XRP during the Ripple versus SEC case. Moments like these make you wonder what's really happening behind the scenes. Elon Musk is undeniably a trailblazer in innovation and a genius when it comes to payments. From his early days, he was deeply immersed in this world, surrounded by cutting-edge ideas. Interestingly, some of those closest to Musk have been linked to investing in Ripple and XRP. Coincidence or a glimpse into the future? You decide. Could Elon Musk be holding XRP? Honestly, I think the evidence is piling up and it feels like more than just coincidence. In my opinion, it's pretty likely. I've even heard some interesting secondhand stories from people who claim he absolutely does. Now, I don't have direct proof, and I'm not here to drop anonymous sources, but the idea that Elon might be on Team XRP, it's definitely worth thinking about. So we all know Elon holds XRP, right? Okay, maybe not the best way to kick things off, but hear me out. I wanted to show you the evidence first because I've heard from sources I trust, people who really know their stuff, that this is actually happening. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly address something else because a lot of people are seriously freaking out right now. Let's dive in. People are acting like this crash came out of nowhere. What's happening with XRP? Why is it dropping? Guys, we've been talking about this for weeks. This is exactly what we predicted from this pattern. We've been watching it closely, and I've said it multiple times. I don't think XRP is ready to break out just yet, but here's the catch. This formation wraps up in the next 2 weeks. Stay tuned. XRP is right on track, moving exactly as we anticipated, consolidating in this range. No surprises here, just the calm before the storm. This is the pattern we've been watching unfold over the past few weeks, and it's playing out perfectly. Forget the noise and panic. This is all part of the plan. Consolidation isn't a setback, it's a setup. The longer XRP charges up in this zone, the stronger the breakout on the other side. Stay patient, stay focused, and let the market do its thing. Big moves are brewing. Thanks for tuning in. Excited to see where this goes next.